Hey everybody, it's Ron from Ron's Basement. Thank you for joining me today. This video will show you the anatomy of a six-bagger in the precious metals mining sector. This is how a gold mining stock or a silver mining stock can go up 6 times in value. So let's switch over to my fancy diagram and I will walk you through the process. Okay. Here we have Simple Gold Mining Inc. That's listed on the Ron's Basement Stock Exchange. This is a real simple example, again, just to demonstrate how the change in production of a company, the gold price, and the change in sentiment or the multiples applied to a particular sector, like the gold mining sector, can have a major impact on the price of a stock. So, in scenario A, which is, let's say today, Simple Gold Mining produces 2 ounces of gold per year with an all-in sustaining cost of $1,000. And they're doing that at a gold price of $2,000. So that would mean they're making a $1,000 profit per ounce that they mine. They're mining 2 ounces per year. So on an annual basis, they generate $2,000 in profit. If you apply a 10 times price to earnings ratio to that, which is probably actually roughly what the average is for the gold mining sector right now, you would have a market cap of $20,000, a valuation of $20,000 for that company under scenario A. Let's go down to scenario B. In this scenario, they increase their production by 50%. So they're producing 3 ounces of gold per year, but their all-in sustaining cost remains the same. Their cost, which would be the case with a gold mining company, would generally remain about the same. So they're still only incurring about $1,000 of cost per ounce that they mine. And the gold price is increased by 50%. So the gold price is now $3,000. So as you see, we've had an increase in production, we've had an increase in the gold price, and I'm going to show you how an increase in sentiment or the multiples affects this example at the end. So they're making $2,000 profit in scenario B per ounce. They're mining 3 ounces. So on an annual basis, they're bringing in $6,000 in profit. Now we're going to apply the higher multiple because sentiment's improved within the gold mining sector of 20 price to earnings ratio, and that same company has a $120,000 valuation, which is a 6 times increase from the previous example. So that's how a gold mining company can, the price of a gold mining company stock can quickly appreciate. This has happened many times over the past, and it's not out of the realm of possibilities, even in the near future, for the gold mining sector. Look, I'm not saying it's going to happen. Don't make any financial decisions based upon my video, but I just wanted to show kind of a basic example how changes in 3 factors, the gold price, the level of production, and the multiple applied to a particular company, can have explosive effects on the price of the company's stock. Now, one further point on that. Even if all 3 of those, because that was a real rosy scenario, right? If 1 year from now we've got 50% higher gold price, 50% higher production, and higher multiples, and we all still own our gold mining stocks, we're going to be real happy. But even if one, if one of those factors increases and the other 2 remain static for your particular company that you may own, you're still going to see an increase in the stock price. Or if 2 out of the 3 improve, but 1 remains static or maybe even goes down a little bit, like let's say your company has a huge increase in production, the gold price remains the same, but sentiment also goes up, you're still going to see maybe 2 times or 3 times increase in price for your stock. Now, of course, let's be realistic. Any of those 3 factors could also go down. And if that's the case, and if let's say all 3 of them go down, well, then we're going to have decreases in the price of our individual stocks. However, as of this filming, July 24th, 2021, we have very low sentiment, we have very low valuations on gold mining stocks, and we have a gold price that $1,800 per ounce could go down, but a lot of smart people are having a really hard time creating a scenario where the gold price does have a significant decrease. So we'll be optimistic, and we're going to hope that in 1 year, July 24th, 2022, we're looking at significantly higher precious metal mining stock valuations. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you have the intellectual horsepower and mathematical abilities to understand what I described to you. And I wish you well in your life and in your investing endeavors. We'll talk to you soon.